How to create shortcut of website in Chrome. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome. Select the profile in case you have multiple profiles. I select this profile. Here you can see add shortcut option. In case this option is not showing, click this icon. Here you can see settings, search for search engine. Make sure you just selected Google. Open the website which you want to create a shortcut. ChatGPT, another example. YouTube. Copy the URL. Click on Add Shortcut. Chat GPT and paste the URL. Done. Here you can see the shortcut has created. Let's try another example. Copy this URL. Add another shortcut. YouTube. And paste it here. Click Done. Here you can see two shortcuts. Click it here and the website will open. Click it here and the website will open. If you want to delete this shortcut, you can simply click on this icon and remove it. If you want to edit shortcut, you can simply edit. And here you can change the name and the URL. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.